Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Steam is not opening or it's opened but do not show on screen like this. As you can see here, it little flashes but nothing is working. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up Task Manager. Then you need to look for Steam under the processes, and then you just need to end task, right? And all the tasks related to Steam. And then you just need to launch and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, Steam is not opening, then open up Run or press Windows and I key, and then you just need to write % local app data %, right? Then you need to look for Steam and then delete this file here, right? Continue. And after that, launch Steam and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then look on search on Steam, then right click on it, open file location, right click again, open file location again. And then here you will have a bunch of files. So you need to leave it with Steam. You need to delete everything except Steam apps and Steam exe file. So I will delete this and get back to you. After you delete it, then you just need to launch the Steam and the files will be re-downloaded. And if you had some corrupted files, they will be fixed and Steam should be running. So give me a second. And after a downloading process is done, you just need to press on Steam and it should be running, right? You just need to put your information again and it will work. So yeah, that's basically it.